in the backseat, wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh.
Hey you guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Crystal and I am so happy that you all are here for today's video. So for today's video, it's just going to be some Saturday cleaning motivation. My past two videos were Christmas videos and I did do a little bit of cleaning, but I just really miss just cleaning. So hopefully this video will give you guys some motivation. I had a little bit of cleaning to get done and wanted to bring you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go ahead and just hop right into today's video. So this is our guest bedroom slash office, and as you can see, I just had all of the Christmas decor just in here, and it actually looked worse before I was able to get all of my Christmas decor set up. In case you guys are interested, I did upload 2 Christmas clean and decorate with me videos. I'll go ahead and link them down below as well as up above on the screen in case you guys would like to get some Christmas decor inspiration. But this room was a mess and I needed to go ahead and tidy it up, so that's what we're doing here.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you, with you.
This frame that's been sitting here for a little bit, I actually wanted it to go above the bed frame here in the guest bedroom, but I noticed since we already have the full-size mirror, the bed frame, and the little nightstand with the lamp, I didn't want that wall to seem like too much, so I haven't quite decided exactly where I'm going to place this. But then I actually want to redo my daughter's bedroom, and I'm actually thinking about putting it above her bed frame. So I don't know, I haven't decided just yet, but until then you'll probably see it sitting here in the next couple of videos.
Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you, be with you, be with you. We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor.
So I had went under the sink and I decluttered that whole cabinet just because it wasn't functioning. I had everything stacked on top of each other. If I opened it, all of the stuff would fall out. So I needed to kind of just reorganize it, get rid of some empties. And yeah, that's all I'm doing here. And then I had also made a label for this little bin for my multi-purpose cleaners. So here I am just going to be placing that on the bin. And other than that, I'm not going to make it like perfect or anything. I just needed it to be a little more accessible.
We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that. 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 Kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear. I just wanna stay right here. You push me out, but I come back. That attraction, I can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love. We got that. 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 We got that
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. stay alive. Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing.
So for our stainless steel appliances, I like to go in with Method's Steel for Real Cleaner. It is my absolute favorite. I swear by it. For any stainless steel appliances, it leaves absolutely no streaks. But anytime I try to look for it, they are out of it. So I try to use it not so often. I kind of want to save it. And I decided to go ahead and try just a regular glass cleaner. So I went in with this spray away, and honestly, I mean, it did such a great job. It left no streaks, cleaned it off. So if you guys are needing like another alternate option for your stainless steel appliances, definitely try this one.
Is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 You know the drama. 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 Don't pretend it.
So in my Christmas clean and decorate with me videos, I purchased these cute little snowflake wallflowers from Bath & Body Works. I placed one in the kids' restroom in the entryway, and then I also wanted one for the kids' hallway. However, as you can see, when I plugged it in, it didn't work, so I need to go ahead and get this one exchanged. Alright you guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you all really enjoyed it. I hope it gave you that cleaning motivation or even some relaxation. I can't thank you all enough for your continuous support. It really means a lot to me, so a huge thank you to everyone. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here and enjoyed today's video, I hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And until my next video, I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.
It's something in me that says it's fine.